what to do when you get a warning like this.
Now this usually means that we have a cut on our tire, or maybe a nail or a screw got stuck in there.
Now first, of course, visually inspect your tire as much as possible. If there's nothing in there, just inflate it and move on. If you find a cut or maybe a screw somewhere in here, well, you need to go to the mechanic shop. This leads us to our next question: how to inflate it? Well, I'm going to show you how to use this gas station air compressor. Now right here you can set up the desired pressure for your tire with this plus and minus sign, and usually 2.5 bars are just enough. 2.5. Take this hose and go to your tire. Now this air compressor is always on pressure, so just put this hose right here into your tire and you can hear the air hissing. There it is. Just hold it like this until you hear sound on the air compressor machine. It should beep when your tire has reached the desired pressure. Because this was very deflated tire, we need to hold it a little bit longer. There you go, that was the sound. As you can see, I have overdone it a little bit. This pressure is now 40 psi for this tire, but I did that on purpose just to see if this pressure is gonna keep dropping on this tire. If it does, that means that I have a cut somewhere on this tire and I need to go to the mechanic shop for sure. I hope you have found this video useful. See you in the next one.